Most likely to be a rival to the Tata Nexon. This is the Mahindra Vision.X, a compact SUV, a sub 4 meter SUV, and let me show you all the details. So, especially from the front end, it does look very much like a product which is built to rival the Nexon, isn't it? Very similar design traits over here. So, you're going to get your LED DRLs, which could double up as your turn indicators. Here are your LED headlamps, the new Mahindra logo, a very flat section over here, which is depicting that it could be EV friendly, this design language. And then on the bonnet, you can notice there are plenty of cuts and crease lines, nice power bulges. So it's going to look very, very cool when it is in motion, isn't it? Then there are plenty of details here on the air dam section on the bumper, and you have this skid plate effect as well. Please don't mind the drone making a lot of noise above us. Now, speaking about the side profile, even here you will notice there are nice crease lines, very nice straight lines, not too curvaceous, plenty of gloss black cladding, really nice looking aero styled wheels, big wheels filling up the wheel arch, wheel well area quite nicely. A very sporty mirror shown here, but it is most likely going to be a conventional unit. This is just a concept. And then have a look at that roof line. On the doors, you will notice you have flush type door handles. We have seen this on other Mahindra cars. And then over here, not a side step, but you have this very stylish looking side skirt. Should help in aerodynamic efficiency. Then you will notice you have a dual tone kind of an effect, you have a floating roof kind of an effect, and then you have these silver finished roof rails. They also have a nice design detail to it. No door handle over here, it is just an applique, and then you have a blackout effect. Moving to the rear end, very stylish looking LED tail lamps. Now some might say that it looks very similar to the Fronx from Maruti Suzuki or the Ticer from Toyota. You have LEDs over here as well. Now we don't know if this is going to be functional when the vehicle is launched. And now this is the tail lamp unit, which is going to be a connected piece. Looks quite nice. The Vision.X branding on the tailgate with the new Mahindra logo. And then just have a look at that devilish spoiler. And it has illumination. Most definitely this is not going to go into production, but it looks quite nice. And if at all they manage it, this is going to be the coolest rear profile on a product that you will see here on the Indian market. Have a look at the rear 3/4 of this vehicle. This is how huge the black cladding is going to be. So if this is going to be gloss black, it will be a bit tricky to maintain because it could show some scratches, especially in cities where monsoon mayhem is plenty. Have a look at the glass greenhouse. Now we can't really show you the interior because the vehicles are locked. These are just concepts, but I will still try. So check this out. Huge digital screens and very sporty looking seats. But we would have B-rolls in which I can show you the interior. But from what we see right now, this sub 4 meter Mahindra Vision.X, it looks quite nice and it looks quite sporty. And for a family car, for an urban family car, it has all the right proportions to maybe attract buyers. What is your opinion about this Mahindra Vision.X? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Is this a vehicle which you would buy for your family car requirements, or is there something else that you would prefer from the sub 4 meter category? See you soon, and do check out the other content pieces, the other concepts which Mahindra has showcased today on Independence Day.